Lately, there have been much talk about cults in Jamaica. On Sunday, the 17th of October, there was a standoff between the police and members of the Pathway International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in St. James. This was after the police received intel that sacrifices were going to take place that night. 42 members of the church, including the pastor, were detained for questioning in relation to the ritualized killing of two members. Then, the following week, Monday, October the 25th, the controversial pastor was among two confirmed dead following a car crash. All of this has given rise to the need to help people to be able to quickly identify cults and their indoctrination practices. What is a cult? Merriam-Webster defines it as a small religious group that is not part of a larger and more accepted religion and that has beliefs regarded by many as extreme or dangerous. Members often do not realize that they are in a cult. Usually, before being drawn into a cult, individuals find themselves at a crossroads or facing a transition, whether difficult or not. This makes you more vulnerable and more likely to try something new. Here are some characteristics of a cult. Number 1. The often charismatic leader usually wants to be revered as a godlike figure and typically displays an authoritarian leadership style and narcissistic traits. 2. They love bomb you. When you are new, they make you feel loved and connected. 3. Cults employ an indoctrination program, almost like thought reform. They try to dictate how you should think, behave, or sometimes even how you should feel. Eventually, every area of your life goes under scrutiny. Number 4, some form of exploitation usually takes place, whether sexual, financial, or otherwise. Number 5, soon you find yourself in a closed environment away from outside influence. This is usually done to create something of a new reality for you. Number 6, the relationship with the leader and the members is considered the most important relationship. Soon enough, they are the only ones you are socializing with. Number 7, there is an us versus them mentality. Anyone outside of the group, including family and friends, are portrayed as enemies. Number 8, eventually, the practices of the cult become destructive.